SpringBoot Actuator. So the actuator module of SpringBoot provide a production-ready monitor and performance auditing tool. Okay, so it can provide the external system multiple different matrix informations. Okay, so for the DevOps or the system administrators to monitor the application running status, start, restart, or check the configurations, etc. So it's not a functional module, so it doesn't provide the user anything, but it's mainly focused on once the project is in the production, then we can have a better insight information of the system, okay, and all general information of the APIs and GVMs and server. So all we need to do is, first of all, we need to add the dependencies. In the SpringBoot project, in the POM XML, just put this actuator starter under the dependencies section. And then we need to add what kind of information we need to expose to using HTTP or using JMX. So if we, let's see, if we don't have this configuration, just have this one, okay, and we can start the project. So by default, it will give this /actuator API. Okay, so we can just simply turn on the browser and go to localhost 8080/actuator. Okay, sorry, actuator. Okay, and you can see it actually returns a JSON format. Okay, it's a REST API. Let me actually use Firefox. Okay, which is slightly better. Okay. Okay, so it will return a JSON format like this. Okay, so the raw data look like this, but the formatted version, okay, is like this. We have a link, right, and then we have a self, and then we have a health, and we have health path. So basically, this is the URL that we can use, okay, in this current actuator module /health, for example. Okay, so it will return as status up. Right, so the raw data look like this, status up. So that is indicate the system is up and running. Okay, it's used for health check purpose. It's not used for like human beings, or you normally it's like we have a load balancer or we have some system that can check the status of the application, and it can restart the server or something like that. So they can use this API, okay, to verify if this application is up and running or not. Okay, so that's the thing. And if we want more information, right? So then we need to add this configuration here, a health info matrix. Okay, health is by default is already there. Okay, info and the matrix. Info by default is empty, nothing there. But the matrix will have a lot of information. Okay, so now go back actuator and we refresh. You can see now we have more, right? Health, info, and the matrix. Okay, so firstly look at the info. Okay, empty, nothing, because this is customizable. We can actually add some information to this if you want. Matrix is a little bit bigger. Okay, so you can see there's two. One is matrix and required matrix name. If you don't know which matrix you want, just go to here. Okay, get matrix /actuator/matrix, and then it will give us like those are the so many different matrix that you can get. Okay, like CPU usage. Let's see if I want to see the CPU usage. Okay, just copy this name and then go to matrix and then / okay, this matrix name, and then you will get, this is the current CPU usage of the system. Okay, so and it's not a lot of CPU usage, so now it's 0. But let's see if we want to see the GVM, right? The current GVM that alive, okay, on this machine, on this GVM. Okay, and then we'll see the number here. Okay, so all those information could be written and exposed to the HTTP endpoint or REST endpoint, so that it can provide detailed information of what this system is doing, right, and how it's doing, and what's the status of the hardware and of the like threads and memory, okay, things like that. So it's a very useful tool for the monitoring. Okay, that's it for Executor. Thank you.